Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on StockX. Now, whenever you create a StockX account, let's say you create it with your Gmail and you sign up with your Gmail account, sometimes the name that is actually pulled from your Gmail is not correct and you may want to fill out it correctly. So let me show you how to actually do that. Once you're signed into your account, simply click your profile or hover over your profile in the upper right. And once you do that, you click on profile, right? You need to be a bit careful and just simply click on profile. It's going to take you over to this page where you have your personal details, as you can see right here. So just go ahead and click on edit at the top there. And it's going to take you into your name and details here. So you can go ahead and change the name. So for example, I don't want it to say Drew. I can say Andrew, for example. And if I don't want it to say tutorial and I want to say little, I can go ahead and change that, right? So, and that's it. You can go ahead and change your name. You can change your username. You can change your currency and so forth. But whenever you're finished, just simply click on submit. And that is basically to save it. And that's how you actually change the name on your StockX account, guys. And that's it. It is as easy as that.